Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the FUNANASUN wireless reverse parking sensor kit. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a wireless reverse parking sensor kit that's meant for cars. And now let's flip open the box lid to find out what's inside. And we can start off by first removing the contents from the box. So there is a leaflet there. And giving you a better look here before I start handling the wireless reverse parking sensor kit. A nice good look there. And now I'll start removing each item from the packaging. And that's the entire contents of the box emptied, even checking on the underside of that tray as well, making sure nothing is left behind. We can set the box to the side. And I'll spread the items right across the tabletop right here, so you can see everything that's been removed from the box packaging. So nice, good view there, with everything neatly laid out across the tabletop right here. Okay, so this is the FUNANASUN wireless reverse parking sensor kit. Let's start off by first taking a look at this leaflet here. So it is a user manual. I'm giving you a close-up look at the details and instructions and specifications of the FUNANASUN wireless reverse parking sensor kit. So right there, the installation and technical diagrams as well. So always quite important to know when you're installing the wireless reverse parking sensor kit. So we can set that user manual down and we'll take a close-up look at each of the components. So there's not going to be any installation done, just going to show you some close-up details of the product so you know what to expect before buying it. So there is a module here that links with each of the sensors and of course the buzzer or alarm as well. So right there, that's a good look at the unit. And this might be double-sided pad here, sticky pad, to perhaps stick the module onto. I'm going to show you the underside as well of the main control unit, I think. And then moving on, so there is just making some adjustments to the background right there, a cigarette lighter adapter with the digital display of the proximity sensor or meter. So that should show you and light up when the reverse parking sensor is activated to show you your distance to the nearest object. Okay, and there is a hole saw as well for cutting holes into your rear bumper of your car so that you can install your reverse parking sensors. So let's open it up just to show you what that hole saw looks like. So box emptied, setting the hole saw down and giving you a close-up look at the hole saw. So right there, nice good look. the hole saw that will be used for cutting holes into your bumper so that you can install the reverse parking sensors. So right there, nice good look. And I'm going to set them down now. And lastly, we do have the parking sensors themselves. So this is one of 4 parking sensors. So right there, pretty familiar in design as to the kind of parking sensors that you'll see in the rear bumpers of cars. They have this very, very conventional design here. Okay, and you can see the plug as well, or connector, that fits into this module right here. So pretty clearly labeled A, B, C, D there for each of the parking sensors. And then you do have a power cable as well, which I've yet to show you, which seems to be color coded with this red and black insulation and a red connector as well. So I don't think you can really go wrong, but always read the instruction manual before proceeding with your installation. So right there. So parking sensor right here, and it's labeled as well, you can see, with a B tag right there. So seems pretty straightforward. Just going to show you the cable length as well. Let me take an A1 just to show you, just in case. Keep it simple, just to show you, to make sure that there's not any variance in the product, or too much variance anyway. So here we go again. So this is another parking sensor, and this time round this is the A1, labeled A as you can see. And just to show you the dimensions as well, sideways, always good to know, and the rear as well. So nice overall good look at the FUNANASUN wireless reverse parking sensor kit. Just to show you the connector once again. So nice close-up details of the product. Right there. And right there as well. Okay. And now I'll show you the cable length. So I'm doing the cable tie here. And showing you the length of the parking sensor. So hopefully this should give you some idea as to the cable length of the FUNANASUN wireless reverse parking sensor kit. And one of the sensors right here, this is the A sensor. So 4 sensors in total to go in your rear bumper. So you can see nice and long, reasonably long. Unfortunately there is quite a bit of items on the tabletop, so it's going to be a little bit tricky to kind of judge the cable length, but at least it gives you some idea right there of the reverse parking sensor right there. Okay, so that's the entire kit of the FUNANASUN wireless reverse parking sensor with its 4 reverse parking sensors along with the main module here, and of course you have a power lead there and a indicator right there that apparently has buzzing functions as well. So that's the proximity sensor, of course, and a sticky pad here, and of course a hole saw. So it's all the items you need are included for you to carry out your installation of the FUNANASUN reverse parking sensor kit. So that's the FUNANASUN wireless reverse parking sensor kit Thanks for watching and happy reversing!